Peko. So far you might have noticed that while prepositions are always prepositions, many words are used as verbs, nouns and modifiers. Do you have to know what they mean as each word type? This would mean that you'd have to memorize 3 different definitions for each word. No, every word has a base meaning and the rest are logically and regularly derived. We have actually been using so many of these derivations, but now you will understand them better. For example, with verbs. Toki, moku, yo, tana, pilin, and any other word we have used with an e is a base verb. When using a verb as a noun, it is a generic object. So, mili moku e moku means I eat food, and moku as a noun means food, because that is what is eaten. Similarly, mili yo e yo is I have the possession, mili tana e tana is I think the thought, mili pilin e pilin is I feel the feeling, mili ato e ato is I drive the vehicle, and so on. Verbs as modifiers are resembling the noun definition or capable of being the noun definition. So, samoku is an edible thing since it is capable of being food or resembling food. The next category is base modifiers. These are mute tote, pona ike, words that usually occur as modifiers. As verbs, their meaning is the modifier, so mili pona just means I am good. As nouns, they mean the abstract noun, so mili yo e pona is I have goodness, adding the ending ness is a good way to think about it. Lastly, there are nouns. These are words like mi, si, on, and yan, mun, suno, and so on. As verbs, they mean is a noun, so milian means I am a person. As modifiers, they function exactly as they would with p. So sami is identical to sapi mi or my thing. We will go over p in the next episode. Now you might be thinking, how would I say I am food? Since it is not a noun or modifier, you can just say milimoku, because that means I eat. Here you use a modifier called lon, which means exist, is real. You can say mililon moku or mililon pimoku to say I am food-like or I am food. In the dictionary, these words only have their base meanings, but these derivations give the language great power to express things in many different ways. Every verb, noun and modifier can be any of the other of the 2 kinds of words. Now to the vocabulary and some examples alongside it. Conta, to understand. What would the noun conta be? It would mean a concept or a lesson. That is what people understands after all. Aya, alive. And what would aya mean as a verb? It would mean to be alive or to live. Wawa, strong, powerful, energetic, intense. Tomo, building, house, home. Telo, water, liquid, beverage, fluid. Tana, to think. And what would tana mean as a noun? Militana etana, I think a thought. Wolin, to love. Awen, staying, remaining, permanent. Insa, center, content, middle, inside. Jatila, complex, difficult. Patila, easy, simple. Sitelen, to draw. Tapa, container, bag, box, cupboard, drawer. Ukumu, to order, to mandate, to command. Wetu, star, celestial body. Open, starting, beginning. Pilin, to feel, to sense. Poka, sight, vicinity, nearby area. Tile, slow, slowly. Wile, to want, to wish, to desire. And satalan, normal, command. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and till next time, Militawa.